Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see saved video of TikTok in your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open the default browser and log into your TikTok account. After that, what you want to do is click on one video and save it. After that, all you gotta do is click on your profile and click on favorites. After that, you'll find the video that you have saved before right here. That's how you can see your saved video on your TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.